Hello garden lovers! Behind me here was a beautiful lush grapevine. You could see here all the bunches of grapes. They're still ripening, but what happened to the leaves? Well, about a week ago I noticed that they were dying back, started looking closer and saw what looked like, let me see if I could find one. Yeah, here's one. Looked like a monarch caterpillar. And I thought, no way. That can't be possible. Monarchs like milkweed, not grapevine leaves. So I did a little research. Sure enough, monarch caterpillars only eat milkweed. These guys are the grape leaf skeletonizer. And wow, you could see they did a massive amount of damage. As we started looking closer, a grape leaf, you could see here, nothing left, dried out. They chewed it up, but when the grape leaf was here, we'd flip it over, and there was literally thousands of little tiny baby grape leaf skeletonizer larvae. So this year we figured, as we're coming across all of the different problems that we experience in the garden, we'll share them with you with just a short video on what we're coming across and how we're addressing it. In this case, since they're caterpillars, then a neem oil mixed with an insecticidal soap combination is going to do the trick. And I want to find some of the moths to show you what to look out for. They're these little black, beautiful moths. I thought it was a wasp when we first saw them. They're kind of hanging out on the little fencing of the chicken run, but now we know they are these beautiful black leaf skeletonizer moths. Here's some more. Let me see if I could get a better. Oh, too much sun. There we go. Here they are. They're very colorful, very beautiful, but unfortunately extremely destructive. You can see here this whole grapevine is just destroyed, but not permanently, because thankfully it's going to keep producing leaves. These caterpillars, since they've ran out of leaves to eat, they have started going after the grapes themselves. We have already done one application of the neem oil mixture, and we're getting ready to do another one. Since it was so infested, there were literally tens of thousands of those little caterpillars on here. The first spray has taken care of the majority. This next spray should wipe out the rest. All right, so I'm gonna head over and mix it up and show you how we're going to address these little critters, get rid of them permanently before they move on to our other grapevines. Here is our other grapevine on our hill, and you can see it's lush, beautiful. We came over here to see if any of those little caterpillars were attacking it. Got some bunches of grapes. And sure enough, they made their way over here, but just very few. You can see here they started chewing on this grapevine, so we'll get this grapevine treated as well. These guys are really aggressive, so we got to take action right away before they take out this beautiful plant as well. Before we mix up the neem insecticidal soap, I'm going to stop by all of our grapevines just to see. Got some beautiful tomatillo plants, just to see if we need to treat them all. This one is so beautiful, full of bunches of grapes. This one seems to be okay. I'll head over to this other one. This one is so huge. It takes up the majority of the side of our building. Absolutely beautiful. Last year it got attacked by a fungus. And yeah, look at this. We're starting to get some fungus problems again. So that's a whole nother mixture that I'm going to mix up to treat this. Don't want a repeat of last year where it just started killing off all of the beautiful leaf growth. It's hard to see, but there's definitely a little bit of fungus starting. Ah, look at this beautiful dahlia. Just starting to open up. All right, here we are. We are using the Dr. Smith sprayer contractor series. I have it marked for a gallon. This is a 2-gallon sprayer, but I'm mixing up small batches usually, so don't need to waste the soap or the neem oil, especially the neem oil. I'm using a Dr. Bronner soap and this cold pressed neem oil from the Rustic Garden, and it's really cool. He has the mixture noted on the containers. His website is therusticgarden.blogspot.com. This has got the azadirachtin in it, very important to kill the chewing insects. So I'll get some mixed up and spray the grapevines. It'll be the second application, and this should do it. Get rid of them. But for you home, oop, I have a bee landing on my phone. That was weird. But for you home growers, if you have grapevines, make sure to go check them out for this little pest, because they can do a ton of damage in a short amount of time. It was literally a few days and they chewed up the whole grapevine. Thankfully, grapevines produce leaves throughout the season, so it'll be lush again, but it's gonna probably take a few weeks. All right, that's it for now. Remember my favorite saying, something doesn't come from nothing. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.